Welcome to Infini Institute of Construction Project Management. In this video, I am going to explain you the difference between construction and project management. You have come across two terms, project manager and construction manager. So their responsibilities are connected with construction management and project management. When we talk about a project, and if I try to plot a project cycle graph on efforts versus time, then it looks like this, in which there are 5 phases. Any project starts with initiation followed by planning, execution. While execution we have to monitor and control it, and at the tail end we have closing and defect liability period. So what is project management in it and what is construction management in it? Before we start with the actual execution, which is construction, there are many activities which takes place in back office. So any project starts with concept and idea. We have to work on that idea. So it is considered as feasibility stage of a project, in which you check whether this project is executable, feasible or not. Then a business case is prepared and finance is raised. After this, you go for tendering to identify the best contractor who can execute the project. You prepare a detailed scope document. After this, you go for hiring, recruitment of project team. Normally this is done at contractor's end. What you do is you prepare detailed drawing, then take approval and a detailed schedule, a master plan it is called as. So this all things are to be taken care in back office before you actually start with the construction on site. So what happens afterwards? In execution phase, when you have a land, you first take care of site setup, where approaches are to be taken care of, and before you start with execution and resource mobilization, you take care of all the arrangements on the site. Like there can be a water supply line, there can be electricity line, then labor huts, canteen, etc. So this comes under execution, construction. It is visible to you on site. Therefore, it is coming under construction management phase. What happens during the execution phase? You utilize the resources on the site and you see the efforts being carried out. Efforts are nothing but it is the output, daily output that you can see, which use time and cost resource along with other 3 resources, manpower, material and machineries. This everything has to be taken care or executed in a constraint. There is a space constraint. In this defined constraint of space, and there is a technology resource also. So in this particular phase of construction, we are supposed to optimize the use of resources. So that is called as project monitoring and control. So this stage is coming under construction management, actual construction which is taking place on the site, and it is also followed by closing part of a project. Closing is also partly coming under construction management, partly it comes under project management. At the tail end, when you hand over a project, then you demobilize the resources and then you take care of the project commissioning. In some of the projects, defects are to be identified and rectified by the contractor himself. So this entire thing is ending up in financial closure. So in entire project, there are risks to be taken care of. So there is an area called risk management. Quality of a project is to be taken care of. So that area is called as quality management. So there are 10 different areas which come under the umbrella of project management. Project management is a bigger. Under project management, construction management is a smaller part. So in this particular picture you can see the project management consists of 10 areas: time, cost, quality, human resource, communication, risk, procurement, stakeholder and integration of all these 9 areas. So that is project management. So construction deals with actual execution on the site, project deals with the back office activities. This helps you understand the difference between these two terms. Thank you. Stay tuned with Infini Institute.